Hello. Um, I'm going to talk about the crane I made um, by using the stuff I bought from Amazon. It's called rotary frame for electric hose. Um, this one can can hold about over 1,330 pound weight at about 30-inch from the vertical pull and about 670 pound weight at 43-inch of distance from the vertical pull. As you can see, it need a round tubing, and you can see two shackle. This is a rotary frame. It's very simple design, and the arm it's like a telescopic, and extend the length. Right now, I set up the maximum length about a 43-inch distance. Um, this it's recommended use 48 millimeter outside diameter, about 1 inch and 1 inch and 7/8 inch outside diameter, and about thickness will be 1/8 inch of thickness. And I bought about the tube is 4130. It's called Arrow Steel Round Seamless Steel Tubing. I think just want to make it more strong. I don't want to buy some like piping. Some it's not very strong. Uh, I only use 1 and 3/4 inch outside diameter and 1/8 of the thickness. I pay about $13.60 per foot. As you can see, that's not cheap. So usually I just bought about six six feet. As you can see, I attached to my workbench. Right now, I put my CNC on that. Uh, Originally, I tried to build this crane is for load roof tent, because usually roof tent weight is over 150 pound, and the challenge is roof tent usually put on the car top the roof of the car, so you need very high, and so my car garage is up to 12 feet. So right now I almost reached to 12 feet, just a 1 inch short back, you can see, and I can lift the stuff up to, I think, more than 10 feet, because take about the frame and also some like the host hook about distance. I take about like 2 feet, enough I can lift 2 feet high. So basically, this design is I can lift higher stuff. And also you can see this one is very useful. It's called Simpson Strong Tie. So basically, I use it to use two by four touch to my workbench top. So basically, two by four fixed by on the table. I use wood screw, and also this is called um, dock edge stationary dockside leg holder kit. I bought about one kit included with like two stuff. So it's metal to metal. I can fix on fix on this round tube. Um, it's a tube. I put another side one 2x4 to like hold the side load, just in case. I think make more stronger. Also, you can see I use two endless ratchet tie down it. So basically, I think it's much very stronger, enough for 200 over 200 load. This is host is 440 pound um, weight limit. Um it, it it's not remote control, but I mean it's just yeah, it should be fine. I mean uh, overall like attached there, and it's this one can like move about 90 degree from left to right. So imagine if I rolling this one outside and like a kind of from left side, I lifted the roof tent and swing to right and put on the car roof. That's why I originally tried to this kind of design. And yeah, overall, let's say I think it's a simple design fit for my needs. Also does not involve any welding work because I don't have a welding machine. I guess if you use a welding, it make more stronger. But this I use woodworking stuff can fulfill my needs, and yeah, maybe I can do a testing for lifting some like heavier stuff. I think about using a paint bucket full of paint. About I think I guess over 60 pound. Yeah, do a testing, see its host. Yeah, you know. Oh, okay. Yeah, that's about it. I will post on all this detail about the parts I used within this YouTube posting. And thank you for watching. Okay, bye.